Dr. N.A. Maktoum Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital, Ankli. Seminar topic Factors Modifying the Action of Poison. Presented by me, guided by Dr. Sachinananda Sir, Department of Aghat Tantra. Factors modifying the action of poison. Many external and internal factors modify the action of poison. These are dose of poison, form of poison, method of administration, physical condition of patient, mental condition, and physical environment. Quality of poison. Quality or dose of poison also play a vital role in manifestation of toxicity. Mild poison, when ingested in large quantity, causes no significant damage to the body, whereas strong poison, even in minute doses, can be fatal. There are certain factors that can alter above said rule. These are habit, allergy, differently affecting doshas, and cumulative poison. Habit. Some individuals, due to chronic use of a certain poisonous ingredient, become habituated and addicted for same. Example: tobacco, alcohol, opium, etc. Allergy. Allergy is a hypersensitive reaction of an individual towards a specific substance. Example: penicillin is an excellent drug for numerous infections, but it is intolerable to many individuals and causes a life-threatening reaction when administered. Differently affecting doshas. Blue vitriol, being emetic in nature, when taken in large quantity causes a vomiting. This reduces its toxic effect. Cumulative poison. Toxin in smaller quantities when ingested are excreted through urine, feces, sweat, etc. But aconite, mercury, tin, etc. accumulate in the body and get deposited in organs. This toxin present with delayed toxicity. State or form of poison. Three state or form of poison are physical state, chemical combination, and mechanical combination. Physical state. Poisonous in gaseous state are more fatal than those in liquid state, which are more fatal than solid. Example: trichonas. Chemical combination. Chemical combination of two or more substances at a time changes dilution of them. Poisonous in diluted form are more toxic than non-diluted form. Mechanical combination. If poisons are given with mechanical substance, their toxicity is significantly altered. When alkaloids are given with animal charcoal, they become ineffective. Method of administration of poison. Following factors are route or method of administration of poison in the body of individual. Inhalation, intravenous injection, intramuscular injection, subcutaneous injection, oral route, contact through skin, other anatomical route. Example: rectum, vagina, urethra, etc. Physical condition. Physical condition play a vital role in accelerating the effect of poison on the body. For this, following factors should be considered: age, health, prakruti, mental condition, sleep and intoxication, place and time. Mental condition. Psychological factors such as fear, anxiety, etc. can enhance the action of poison on the body. Shankavish and Sarpangita are excellent example for explaining the role of such a mental condition on toxicity of the poison. Mental condition play a crucial role in the manifestation and toxicity of poison. Thank you.